Hello everybody. Today we are going to talk about a great product. It is called on trade waves patterns indicator. There is no need to modify any entry from here. Just press OK and it will be loaded successfully. Let's use dark theme first. OK. Sorry. Template empty. On trade waves patterns, we will modify the serial version. Okay, combine. Now let's see it using dark theme and press OK. Now, great. Now this product will load and viewing panel here to control all settings that you need. First, there is a page for harmonic patterns automatically detection. These patterns cover all harmonic patterns like Gartley, bat, crab, butterfly, cipher, shark, deep shark, 5-0, white swan, black swan, dragon, and this is that loaded by default as active because they are the strongest patterns and the most successful patterns ratio at the market. And here is the weaker patterns like Ninstar, anti-Gartley, anti-bat, anti-butterfly, anti-crab, anti-cipher, anti-shark, ABCD. And there is a functions for fans of pattern and targets like this. There is targets and stops for every pattern. PRZ is referring to potential reversal zone, and here is a proportions to view the proportion between waves like here, like here, like here. Okay. When we have a pattern detected, we are waiting price to arrive here to entry zone. When price arrive to entry zone, we are searching for, let's define it by a box here. We are searching for a trend break on lower time frame. Let's see here. That will, let's turn off fans. Okay, let's see here where we define the box here on that pattern. Like here, we just take a normal trend line and connecting between two highs and waiting for a break, and we can enter here. Or we can use the yellow arrows that refer to divergence, like this one that refer there was a divergence here at this candle. Or we can use this approval point. This is the green point here that refer to a price action that happened here that will predict there is a new reflection at this point. All of that happen from this panel. Okay, now what is this panel? This panel refers to manual detection for patterns. We are just measuring this panel like this way. We can move this pattern points like this way to measure waves manually, and if there is a pattern it will be change the color of this pattern. Okay, like this way it will be changed. Now if we want to have a predicted pattern, we have the first section of the wave of harmonic pattern, and when we move it manually it will predict the coming movement on the way how price moving. Ray for predicting the breakout of this first triangle of our pattern. Here is it all function about this. Now Elliot waves, let's turn off pattern of this to make other detection more clear for you. Elliot wave, we will detect 5 motive waves from Elliot theory by this function like this way. As you can see here, when we have a prediction, we are predicting how price will moving by the violet lines, proportions to view this, proportions between waves, and targets to have a target by this green dots. PRZ, potential reversal zone, for this wave. Now the third page is to detect Wolfe waves patterns, like here, just pressing refresh. Now here is a Wolfe waves pattern here, like this way. Let's change time frame and go back to here. It is just a little heavy because it will scan your chart more better than your brain. Okay, now let's check this pattern. Great. Here we have a wave pattern. As you can see, our target at Wolfe wave theory, our target will be this gray trend here, and if we activated this on completed pattern, we will not have these measurements because it isn't completed. Completed pattern at Wolfe theory needs to price to be upper this extension of that trend and going lower of it. This point will complete your Wolfe pattern, and here will be your target. The other page is lot calculator that will let you calculate your risk like this way. That will give you ratio and preferred lot size on your risk value. Alarm is just vertical and horizontal lines that will give you alarm when price arrive at this time or arrive at this price. Pivot points that will help you to enter markets on average calculations, like here for daily pivotal points. Here is all functions for this great product. It will cover all harmonic techniques in trading in easy way, and better than your brain to detect all patterns, better than taking Fibo and making measurements by your hand to detect patterns. This product will cover all of them. And completed system with harmonic patterns and Elliot and Wolfe. Have a great day, everybody. I hope this product help you and advise you to buy it. Thanks for watching.